live, and
It's
it
great
was
to be here, Nancy.
yeah, it's a pleasure to have you, ma'am, and it's an honor to host you for this session today.
It's
Don't
an
look
honor to
at
be
me like
here.
that.
You're doing fine.
Okay. So after those endless, live sessions on our
Yeah,
group, finally we are here,
yeah.
right?
I'm looking at the
Yeah.
comments this way. So you'll see me
Yeah,
turning
even
my head
same
because
here.
the
Yeah.
comments
So
are
I have
coming. Uh,
right. Even
uh,
I have to do that because I've put the phone horizontally
mm,
because so that I can see you
yeah,
vertically.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I think let's start with the session. Ma'am, your screen,
Mm,
you are visible on screen. Okay, Padma is saying that you're visible on screen. Okay. So
Padma is
let's
saying.
start the session,
Okay.
ma'am. Padmaja, she was my
Hmm.
classmate, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, yes,
So
yes, Padmaja. I
yeah,
remember Padmaja.
you remember. So
Yeah, of course.
okay. So when this Facebook was new, I was trying to find everyone I knew from school and from college and from
Hmm.
everywhere. Okay. So this was about 10, 12 years back, right? So I was trying to
Okay.
find you
Mm-hmm.
also desperately. I was trying to find you, Drawing Sir and Pattar Sir, but I couldn't find you
Mm.
because I didn't know your first name. You were always my Deb ma'am. So I didn't know who is how to find you. Then finally, Chandrakant told me that you are on Facebook, and he linked me to you. So that's
Good.
how that's
I'm
how
so glad
little
it
I
happened.
knew. Yeah. So and also, that's how little we knew about you. So I think the first question would be, I would ask you to request you to please introduce yourself to everybody. Like, how would you describe yourself as a person?
As a person,
Yeah.
I'm just a normal girl. Nothing,
Of course
nothing
you
special
are.
about me, except that I've been teaching and been the best thing in my life, teaching, and it's been a joy. And Karanja, of course, even though I was there for only I think 3 years, and it was beautiful, and I didn't want to go, but the circumstances were such that I had to leave.
Okay. Okay.
But
So we'll come to that.
but
We'll come to
it was
that.
lovely being in Firenze. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So, so, ma'am, tell me about your childhood. Like which school did you go to, and
Mm,
who inspired you to come to this, join this profession, teaching profession?
mhm. But who inspired me? I'll tell you. I'll be very honest with you. In those
Yeah.
days, it was my family. Okay, my dad was conservative also, but open, broad-minded as well. And
Hmm.
I wanted to be a doctor actually. And he
Right.
said, no, 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 that's not a good profession for girls. So just do your graduation first, and then you see decide. And after graduation, actually, you laugh at this. It was a lot of it were depended upon getting married, because by then I had met my husband, and he was also still studying, and he had to go through his training and everything. So I did my graduation, and then I taught for a year, and then we got married.
Oh, so
So
yours was a love marriage.
yes,
Yes.
so we
Okay.
courted for about 4 years, and then we got married in the end. When he was with Dunlop, and when he finished his training, he got married.
Right. Right.
And
Nice.
childhood, yes, I went to a lot of good schools, and it was my dad. He had a job with Dunlop as well in those days.
Hmm.
And then when he had 4 children, he said, "Now I have to give them a good education." So he dumped that job, and he became a music teacher. He had taken talim from Ustad Alauddin Khan in Mahar,
Oh,
and he dropped everything, and he became a music teacher in the best of schools. Have you heard of Rishi Valley?
yes. Yes.
Yes. So we started there, and then
The
we
most
went to
progressive
Lawrence
school, I think.
School. Yes, it's a very good school. We spent a few years there, and then Daddy had wheels on his feet. He couldn't stay in one place for a long time. So then we went to Lovedale, Lawrence School, Lovedale, near Ooty,
Mm-hmm.
and we finished our school in Sanawa, the sister school,
Okay.
near Simla. There's another Lawrence School, and we finished our schooling there. And well, it's supposed to be, these are supposed to be the best schools, some of the best
Right.
schools.
Right. Right.
So we were very fortunate that our dad made this sacrifice.
Right. 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 So that's a great story, ma'am. And who
Yes.
inspired you in your childhood to? Why did you choose English as your language to, teach?
Well,
Since your
I
dad was
was,
a music
we were,
teacher and you taught music.
yes, Daddy taught music, but he had done his master's in literature, in English
Oh,
literature from Shantiniketan.
oh,
So he spoke very good English. And my mother was, she was master's in Bengali. But when we started learning English, she would teach us, help us through our work. And she learned English and became so good at English that she became a very good teacher, well-known teacher in Sindhya Boys School, English teacher. So you see
okay.
that people say, oh, I don't know English, and but if where there's a will, there's a way. And she learned it through teaching us, through going through our lessons. And well, the person that influenced me as a teacher
Hmm.
was one Mr. B.P. Joshi
Hmm.
in J.K. Gram. My
Hmm.
husband was working for J.K. Tires in
Hmm.
Kankroli,
Hmm.
and there was a school there, Lakshmipat Singhania School.
Hmm.
And we had one director there, B.P. Joshi. He used to come
Hmm.
to, take care of school affairs. And he encouraged me a lot. I had been trained by then, and he encouraged me a lot. And in fact, he's the one who instigated me to join the All Rajasthan teaching competition. And
Oh,
he said, "Look, it's only in Hindi, but we don't expect you to teach in Hindi. I want them to experience your teaching." So I joined that competition, and I got the silver medal. He said they couldn't give you the gold medal because it's supposed to be Hindi competition, but
right.
they gave me the silver medal, and that's something I
That's
really cherish. And
that's no wonder, ma'am. You're always a good teacher.
he said one thing that really stuck with me throughout my career and even now. He said a teacher must never think about what the student thinks of her or him today. He must think of what they think of the teacher 20 years later in their adult life. And that really
Right.
stuck with me because I've seen lots of teachers, mm, trying to get popularity, getting the children to like them. And now I've started telling my students here that I'm not here for you to like me. And I'm here not, I might love you, but I'm not here to show you love. I'm here to get you to learn something. And I don't care if you like me. I'm not here for you to like me. Come and talk to me after 20 years. And I think the same should apply for parents as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's
I
Mr.
I
B.P. Joshi.
Yeah. So I remember you always as a, very strong-headed person, and you had a lot of clarity in your head. So I want to share one
Lots of?
experience. So I want to
Hmm.
share one experience with you, with everybody, that when we were in eighth standard, you were our class teacher, and you had these innovative teaching methods, okay, which we hadn't experienced till then. So what you did was you
Okay.
picked up few students from the class and few other students from the class, and these few students were supposed to teach these few students, okay, and you made them sit also together. So I was teaching Anita, and I was separated from my best friend Kulvinder Kaur. Okay, and that
You
was
must
such
have
a
hated me.
trauma for me. No, I didn't hate you, but that was such a trauma for me and her also at that age, that we cried
Hmm.
and we tried all tactics and all methods, but we couldn't get
Oh
you to
no.
bring us back together. So I went to you and I pleaded, that ma'am, I want to sit with my best friend, I don't want to sit with Anita. So you said, you simply said, why does she stink? So I was like speechless. I didn't know what to answer during that time. But then today, when I realized this, that, the kind of initiative you had taken, to to this, inculcate this habit for us, in us also, to for me to teach somebody else. I had to get up at 6 o'clock and be ready at 6:30 so that she'll come and I'll teach her. Okay. And she also has that kind of, commitment that 6:30 I have to go there, and then I have to go back to school also at 8 o'clock or 8:30, whatever time it was. So it was like kind of a responsibility at that age, which was like eighth standard. We were 13 years old. We didn't realize it then, but at that time did realize that, it's not, you have not done this change of place in our, life ekdam ulta sulta to just for the heck of it. You had some plans in your mind, and which I realized today, because, Kendriya Vidyalaya was a combination of various people from various parts of India, and also, various classes in, financially also, and educational background wise also. And today I realize this because I am also, a teacher myself, and I really appreciate that, thought that you made those changes, and that has stayed with me forever now. I'm 44 now. I cannot forget that phase, Dashi Singh. So,
No,
so yeah, you are a strong-headed person. Okay. So, but
I'm, I'm, I'm
yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell me, ma'am.
carry on. No, I'm glad you remembered this because it didn't take me very long to realize that Karanja. I like to think of it as a salad bowl,
Yeah.
with everything mixed up, all kinds of
Right.
veggies mixed up, expensive ones, cheap ones, sasta ones, and it took me just 3 or 4 weeks to realize that. And then
Yeah.
I thought of this project of each one teach one. And
Yeah.
I think very few of you took it up seriously. You were, of course, one of them. And very few of the students took it up. And I'm so glad that you remember it positively.
Yeah, of course. There are other memories also, which are, okay. So, so this, this all this thing brings me to my next question, and which is, your tenure in Kendriya Vidyalaya was not more than 3 to 4 years. I think we had you only in seventh,
I
eighth,
think
and ninth.
3 years.
I think,
Yeah, 3 years.
yeah, 89 was my ninth, and 1990 was my 10th. So I think you had
Mm-hmm.
left by then, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
why did
I
you
think I left
leave?
in the middle of the year.
Yeah.
Well,
Why did you leave?
this is something something rather unpleasant happened. See, I had this. I went on leave,
Hmm.
and no, we went on holiday actually. Both children and I. We went on
Yeah.
holiday and joined Mr. Deb, who was working in Mozambique.
Okay.
And while we were here, I discovered a lump, somewhere here in the
Oh.
lymph gland,
Hmm.
and that was being investigated. And so I wrote in and I explained. I think Mr. Mandal was the principal then, and
Right.
I wrote him and explained the situation with all the doctors' certificates and the test results and everything, and how investigation was going on and treatment was going on. And I didn't get positive responses, unfortunately. And in the end, I just got notifications that they have to pay this much money. I think, those flats where we live, those flats, Kirtan Madam had given me one of those flats near the school, and
Right.
those were actually down for demolition. And
Okay.
suddenly I started getting letters saying that I have to pay 3,000 per month, backdated and everything. And I said, look,
Hmm.
I'm going through this problem. It's not a problem. I'll come back and sort it out. And finally, when I came back to Karanja with my keys and everything, my husband was with me. But then I think the children had left school. Minnie had passed out and gone to Ahmedabad for her training.
Okay.
And I came back to the house and I found it sealed with the police notification and everything. And when I went up and spoke to the principal, he says, you haven't paid the amount and everything. I said, but here are all the letters that I sent you. And well, in the end, I had to go to Powai. and there's Mr. Jain, who
Okay.
was the AC then,
Hmm.
and he was very surprised and quite angry actually that this had been done. And
Yeah.
he gave me a letter, and I took that back to Karanja, and within 15 minutes my house was unsealed. The police came and broke the locks and everything, and I was allowed to go inside. And by then, already Aditya and Minnie had been telling me, no, you shouldn't live here alone. Go and join Baba. And I said,
Yeah.
no, I'm enjoying it here, and in the middle of the year, I can't desert my students.
Hmm.
But then Mr. Dev was with me this last visit, and he
Hmm.
said, no, this is the limit, and I can't leave you here alone under this kind of unpleasantness. So I just left.
Yeah. Yeah. But that was a great
It
loss
was, it
for
was
us.
unfortunate. I didn't
Yeah.
want to go, but
Yeah.
that's the story. I don't think anybody knew this, and
No,
it's
no,
really
we didn't
unfortunate
know.
because I
Yeah.
I got such a nice welcome to Karanja. From Miss
Yeah.
Ketkar madam. She was so good to me. I'll never forget. She's actually one of my heroes, and
Yeah.
she was so good to me, and we became friends. And the biggest thing I respected about her was, that when sometimes I would go on the boat after school. I would go
Hmm.
on the boat with her to Lionsgate, and we would chat and joke around like old friends. But when we came back to school, there was no friend in her, and which is
Right.
as it should be. She
Yeah.
was,
Yeah. Very
you
professional.
know, stern and oh yes, very professional, very professional.
Yeah.
So, they're good memories, and I prefer to keep those in mind rather than the unpleasant ones. It started
True.
basically after she left, but still I didn't
Right.
want to
Yeah.
leave.
That was I think that was very unfortunate, and it was a great loss of the students and the school, of course, the junior students, which they didn't they didn't know who is their ma'am.
Mm,
Okay. So, ma'am, so yes, so I just narrated you of your, one innovative teaching methods, and when I was discussing you with you on WhatsApp, you said that you
mm,
have more innovative methods which you did not implement on KV Karanja students. So
yeah.
I would like you to, share what you are doing now. Everyone is very keen to know what you are doing now, and we know that where you are right now, but what you are doing now, and
Mm.
what is it about your own, innovative teaching methods?
Well, I do feel I've evolved a lot after coming here to Mozambique because I got a job which I would never had a chance to get if I was in India. There was this teachers training university, and they took me on. They were very happy to have me, and I worked there for about 6 years,
Hmm.
training the teachers, English teachers. And there I learned a lot of new techniques and a lot of methodological ways of dealing with large classrooms and different abilities in the same classroom, making groups and teacher talking time and student talking time. I learned about all these things, which unfortunately our training in India, the BA course that we have, is only 10 months. And I think
Right.
it's quite inadequate. And here they have it for 4 years. It's a 4 years training. You can go
Four years.
after school. Yes,
Okay.
it's very
But it's
intensive.
yeah, it's
You
a
can
very
join
big
after
difference, like
school.
on, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, and they have so many subjects, and of course in the third year you choose your own subject, and in the fourth year you do your practice training, practice teaching. But it's 4 years. It's a 4 years course. You can go straight after school, and it's like a regular graduation course.
Oh,
Whereas in India it was just 10 months, and it's so inadequate. And
right.
I cared about I think I cared about my students. So I tried to find ways of, you know, helping them out. But I still regret that I did not have this capability that I have right now. That I made a lot of mistakes, a lot of things I could have done, but didn't know I should do. And well, that's, I suppose that's life. One evolves and then one looks back and thinks it could have been different.
Yeah,
But
right.
Karanja has special taste in my heart anyway. Always will.
Right, right. So Kiran sir is watching us. He's saying few things.
Hello,
Then I
Kiran.
think Vandana ma'am is there. Sujit is here. Sachin Suryavanshi,
She's my.
Vinay Kharat. Vinay, you remember
Oh
him? He
wow.
was in my class, and he
Yes.
is also an English teacher now. So I'll
Yes.
just go through
Yes.
quickly, go through
Yeah. I
these
think he's my friend on
comments.
Facebook as well. Yes.
Yeah. Vinay
Mm.
Vilas is also watching, I think. So
Okay.
all these, so yeah. So I think ours was I consider myself, to be, very lucky to come in contact with you at that particular age when you can, I don't want to use the word influence, influence is not the word. I don't know what word to use to motivate somebody. No, not motivate also. To leave, your mark on somebody. So that age was like, 13 years, 14 years. That was the age when you came into our lives. And you changed our life completely because there was nobody before you or after you who had that kind of
Okay.
vision in their minds, And
Okay.
you were, I will not call you, strict, or you never you are strict, but in a different way. You somehow, tell us, not directly, that things are going to be like this, and this is not going to be any different from what it is now, but in a very different way. You never imposed your thoughts on anybody. You knew each and every student of your class, like my class, and you had given them pet names also. Like I remember there was one Srinivas in my class, and you used to call him Chinu. I don't know if you remember, but I remember that. Okay. And apart
That's
from, yeah, tell me, ma'am.
I think that's a common name for anyone called Srinivas. Srinivas. They usually call Chinu. I-
Yeah, but that's a very cute way of, doing it. Not all teachers did that, ma'am. So that was very special. Himrata is here. She says she had her impact on us. Yeah, right. Sanju is here. Sanjeev
Hemlata, yes.
Mhatre. Yeah. Vaishali Kolgaonkar ma'am is here. She's saying hi there,
Wow.
ma'am.
Wow. Hi, Kulkanku ma'am.
Okay.
I remember
Uh,
after Aditya passed away, our first
hmm,
visit to Mumbai, it was
hmm,
Bombay then.
yeah.
I started calling whoever had numbers, and I called
Hmm,
Vaishali,
hmm,
and he said, "तुम इधर आ जाओ, हमारे
hmm.
पास आ जाओ. You
Huh.
will feel good if you come here."
Yeah.
And I so wanted to go. Vaishali so wanted to go, but we were there only for 2 days and just couldn't make it to run. I really wanted to come and be with you guys.
Yeah.
That time I
Okay.
needed to be there.
Okay. So, ma'am, we were talking about good
Right,
memories of Karanja,
good
and the
memories.
network broke.
Like I said, the
Yeah.
best, uh, that little flat that Ketkar madam gave me, that was, um, I was very happy there. Even though once first a heavy monsoon and the water started to seep in through the cupboards and all my clothes and everything got wet. And I remember I was crying, and the kids said, "Mommy, don't worry, it took jayega, we'll settle it." But I was very happy in that flat. And next door, I had Joshi madam. She was just bang next door, and she was like a mother come sister to me. In fact, sometimes Mr. Dev's, remittances from here would take some time, and I would run out of money, and I would go to her, and she never refused. Sometimes 2,000, sometimes 3,000. Put me cash, yeah, check. Put me. She would help me out, and it was like having my own somebody there next to me.
Right.
And of course,
Right.
upstairs there was Agnihotri, Mr. and Mrs. Agnihotri
Yes.
was
Yes.
there, and I think on the other side was Rao Madam, if I'm not
Yes.
mistaken.
Okay.
Mhm. So
Uh,
all my colleagues, I remember them very fondly. Kulgaonkar Madam, Ratna. Ratna, I remember, still have so much respect for her. Ratna, I think she taught
Rachna.
chemistry.
Kulkarni ma'am?
Chemistry पढ़ाती थी.
Kulkarni ma'am?
No. Kulkarni
I
also
don't.
she also taught chemistry. She
Huh?
used to come from very far away. Very far she used to come. She used to leave her home
Anybody
at, she said,
remembers?
4:30 in the morning. Usha
Okay.
Rao. Not Usha Rao. No, not Usha Rao.
Rao ma'am
Rao
says
Madam
hi to
didn't teach
you.
chemistry. Who?
Usha Rao
Kaun?
ma'am. Kiran sir says. And Rao ma'am
Oh,
says hi to you.
hello, hello, how are you? Good to be here. But Rachna, I remember her name was Rachna. And
Rachna. Okay.
was she Rachna Sachdev? I don't know. Not Sachdev. But I remember, and I used to respect her still. I remember she used to say she had a small child and she used to
Hmm.
leave home at 4:30 in the morning to be in
So,
the school at before
Prashant,
9 o'clock.
Prashant says it's Archana ma'am. Was it Archana ma'am? She used to
Archana,
teach
Archana,
chemistry.
yes, not Rachna, Archana. Correct, correct.
Yeah, she used to
Thank
teach
you. Thanks,
chemistry.
Prashant. Archana, correct, correct. And I still, when I think about her, I say, wow, what a lady. What a, you know, to leave home at 4:30 to be in school before 9.
My
9 o'clock, I
God.
think, was assembly.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
And then by the time she got home, it would be, I think, 6 or 7. And then organize
My God. Full
everything
day, no,
for
ma'am.
the next.
Yeah.
Mm, mm. So she was there. Then there was one, of course, Gulgankar Madam, we're very fond of her. My husband also, we visited their home as well. He remembers them very fondly.
Hmm.
And I remember most of my lady colleagues, I remember better. I don't know, the 10th. Kiran Salukya, sir, yes, I remember quite well. And Fatah sir, of course, he was my senior, Fatah
Hmm.
sir. And I can remember the faces, but I don't remember the names as such. There was
Right.
one teacher, Aditya used to say, दाढ़ी আছে চুল নেই মানে दाढ़ी है लेकिन सर पे बाल
Huh.
नहीं है. I don't remember his name, but I remember his face very clearly. Do
Okay.
you remember his name? Who
Ah,
was this teacher?
no. Oh, no. Maybe the
No?
guys in our group might remember. Anybody
He
remembers?
had quite a shaggy beard, but he was
Huh?
bald. Uh-huh.
I remember only one teacher
No
having
problem.
beard, and that was Amrit Singh sir.
Amrit Singh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Krill. Salukya sir is asking, would you like to speak about Aditya? Of course, I always like to speak about Aditya. In fact, I was so happy, and I called my husband also, and we watched. I was so happy the other day when he mentioned Aditya. I said, wow, he still remembered. That's fantastic. We were really touched.
I
Thank you,
think
Kiran
everyone
Salukya
in
sir.
school remembers, ma'am. Everyone in school remembers Aditya Bhaiya. He was in Shekhar's class. He also talks very fondly about him.
Mm.
And I remember once I had been to your place for some reason. I don't know, maybe to borrow some book or something. And there was this
Mm.
your entrance, and there was a big veranda. We always had these. Apna colony ka quarters
Mm.
used to be the same pattern of veranda, and then other room. So your veranda
Mm.
was full of all books. Books everywhere, books, books, books.
Yeah, we had a
So
lot
I
of books.
have that. Yeah, so I remember
Yeah.
that. Okay. And okay.
Mm.
So Chandrakant has asked me to, ask you that, what was your connection with knitting, and why didn't you become a SUPW teacher?
Why didn't I?
Become a SUPW
I didn't.
teacher. You remember we had SUPW as a
Oh,
subject?
yes. Then I started knitting when we had the kids and my sisters had their children. I used to knit for all the kids,
Hmm.
but it wasn't so much of a, you know, Now it has become a kind of a nasha, addiction kind of thing.
Right.
If I'm sitting still, I have to have my knitting in my hand.
Hmm.
So, but I'm not doing it professionally or anything. I just like doing it. But
Right.
I don't just sit and do when I'm not doing anything else. I do knitting only when I'm watching TV.
Right.
So actually it suits both of us because my husband loves to watch movies,
Hmm.
but he doesn't like to watch alone.
Hmm.
So I sit there and I knit
Okay.
and watch whatever he's watching. So it suits both of us. And he gets to watch a lot of movies. If you ask me how long did this take, I can't tell you in hours or days. I'll have to tell you in number of movies.
Right. That's very nice. Yeah. So Vandana
But
ma'am
see,
is here.
I
Yes.
have a problem reading the I have a
Text,
problem
no.
reading the comments
So
because I've got
can
this.
we just put our
No,
phone
so you
vertical?
no, that's not the problem.
Hmm.
The problem is that I have to then do this because of my different
Right.
graduation
Because of your glasses.
lens.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, so so if you can read the comments and tell me if there's
Yes. I'll
something
do
people
that.
are asking or something.
So Vinay is asking, Vandana ma'am is saying hi to you and me. Hi, ma'am. Vinay is asking, ma'am, do you remember the dance that you had said? Gudu gudu dadam dadam. I remember. I remember that dance.
Oh,
I remember the
gudu
song
gudu daram
also.
daram.
Yeah,
I don't
I
remember
remember
it.
the song very well, but I don't remember the dance,
Good.
ma'am. Sorry.
Okay.
Gudu gudu dadam dadam.
Was it ditang ditang bole? Ditang ditang
Uh,
bole? नहीं?
Vinay would know, ma'am, but I remember this
Guru
gudu
Guru,
gudu
I
dadam
don't
dadam.
remember. I don't remember it.
um, Sibi is saying, I used to wait for vacations just so that I can enter that book heaven. It was like a treasure trove. I developed reading. Thank you,
I
ma'am.
remember. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Sibi.
Then Padmaja. They're all talking about Aditya, ma'am. So they are saying Subrajit Bose is saying Aditya was a topper and all our parents used to take his example. Padmaja is saying he was a
Oh.
gem of Karanja, ma'am. First student to be selected in IIT. Pradeep is also
Mm.
saying that. Kiran sir is saying very bright regarding Aditya Bhaiya. And
Mm.
Hemlata, they are okay. So Vilas is saying something. Let me read it. One second, I'll have to. Kendriya Vidyalaya Karanja being a hard station of KVS, we were blessed to have only few good teachers, and you were one of them. Any discussion with friends on KVK was
Oh,
incomplete
wow.
without you. That is true. That is absolutely true, ma'am. So,
Wow.
yeah. So,
I'm feeling really boosted.
so, ma'am, would you want to tell us about that small statue which sits there in your bookshelf? It's not very clear.
Yep. Let me go get it. Let me go
Okay,
get it.
okay. So, Sachin,
This are beads which my Lebanese neighbor from downstairs gave me. And
oh,
can you hear me?
yes,
Let me
ma'am.
get my phone.
Yes.
Okay. And this statue was given to me by my students at the university, teacher training university. It was given to me on Teachers' Day. And I still remember the words the class leader, when he presented with a bouquet of flowers, he gave me this. And he says, Deb, we know that you are not a Mozambican. This is Mozambican, it was Teachers' Day and Mozambican Women's Day, I think. One of the two.
Okay.
And they said, we know that you are not a Mozambican, but we thank you for being here and teaching us to be like you.
Oh,
These words are engraved on my heart, you know. and they gave me this statuette
that's priceless.
of a teacher, and of course this is my own addition, the Chinese lantern,
Right.
and this is one of my most prized possessions.
That's
It's
that's really
like a
great.
trophy, and you know, like a proof of my students' appreciation.
Right.
And of course, this is prayer beads from my Lebanese friend downstairs,
Right.
which I also love a lot.
That's really
Let me
great.
put it back.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So, ma'am, everyone is asking you to put your phone vertically, but I think, yeah, because ma'am is using the earphones, she won't be able to make her phone stand.
And my jack, yeah,
Yeah. So that's why
yeah,
we
I
were
can't
holding
make
it
it stand.
horizontally for so long. But
Yeah,
yeah, this is
I
good,
can
ma'am.
I can
Can
hold it
you?
up like this.
But you will have to hold it,
Yeah, but
no?
I'm holding it. Yeah,
Yeah. So that's the problem.
not a big problem.
Okay.
वापस कर दूं? रख दूं?
Somebody please tell me, let's make ma'am comfortable. Let it be like
Hmm?
horizontal.
Huh. Tell me. Let's
So
see.
yeah, so let it be. So Hemlata he wrote a thought of the day for me to be read by me in the prayer. We were in Shivaji House. I think she's talking about
Mm-hmm.
Aditya Bhaiya.
Okay.
Okay. So, ma'am,
Finished.
there is a. Okay. So, before we go to the next question, there is this question that I want you to tell us something about your this teacher training thing that you did in Mozambique.
What would you like to know
Uh, what was your
about it?
experience? Yeah. And
You see, in
how were the teachers over there? What is the difference that you found in both the
I
countries?
think teachers, see, the Mozambican teachers were well. There were a lot of foreign teachers as well
Hmm.
from UK, mostly volunteers,
Hmm.
and I learned a lot from them because
Hmm.
they were into the latest techniques and and we became more relaxed. I at least became more relaxed in my classroom.
Hmm.
Previously, I think I was a little bit tense and too intent on my lesson
Hmm.
um, than on my students. And now I know that one should be as aware of the students as of the lesson. So it made a big difference, made a big difference. And there were lots of new things like methodologies and new techniques, more modern techniques. But I learned a lot. I learned a lot. And then at the same time, I was teaching in a school.
Right.
So mornings I was doing in a school, and afternoons I was in the university. And I found myself applying what I was learning new in the university. I was applying it in my classroom in the school. So it was great. It was really good.
Okay. So, ma'am, I can figure out that you are not a talker. You don't talk much. Do you?
If you ask me questions, I'll talk. I'll
Ah.
tell you. I'll answer your question. But
But don't do that, you can share whatever comes to your mind. It's a closed group.
um um no, that's not the point. That's not. I feel I'm here to chat with you guys and to chat about things that you guys want to
Yeah.
hear. Right? Okay, the
Okay.
one thing that might be of interest to everybody is
Hmm.
that we came here to Mozambique. My husband came here to Mozambique on a 2-year contract,
Hmm.
right? And so he expected to be back in India, but then every year the contract kept on being renewed and kept on being renewed. Sometimes he would leave the job, start another better job, and finally we have. And previously, say 10 or 15 years ago, if someone asked me how long have you been in Mozambique, I would say too long because I wanted to go back to India.
Right.
And now, if someone asks me, how long have you been in Mozambique? I say, not long enough
Uh,
because we become so attached to the place. You know,
yeah.
30 years is a long time,
You have adapted.
very long time. But we are very well adapted. The people are good. the places, the open spaces is something we will never find in India.
True,
The
true
people are
that.
good, and there's not so much pollution.
Yeah,
And but the only drawback is the health facility, almost nil.
right,
So we have to, in the next 2 or 3 years, I think,
right, right. You have to
we're
stay safe.
just waiting because we have a dog.
Hmm.
We have a dog, and we can't. He is such a rowdy person that no one will take him if we leave. And the other option is to put him down,
Yeah.
which is not acceptable to us. So we just hang on
Okay.
for
So
him.
my daughter Shachi, she is 13 years old now, and I was telling her that I'm going to be with Dev ma'am on Facebook Live and this and that, and she was telling me that you have to ask one question from my side, that does she love uh, kittens? So, and then she, went through all your photos, and she showed me that the ma'am is not a cat person, she's a dog person. So she showed the photo of your dog. I think it was a brown color Pomerian, not the dog right now which you have. Maybe
So has
some.
she unfriended me? Has she unfriended me
No,
because
no,
I'm
she
not in
cannot.
her group?
She cannot do that. She doesn't have a Facebook profile yet. She went through, my phone. Okay. So there
Okay.
is Vandana ma'am is asking, you had a walk-in library in your house. What made you set up that? We have question.
What?
What made you set up
I
that?
didn't hear the question.
So the question is, you had a
Huh?
walk-in here. Can you hear me? Wait,
Yes.
we'll wait for some time. I
Walk-in
think might
library.
be. Yeah, you had a walk-in library in your house. What made you set it up?
Uh-huh.
So what made you, set up a whole, library at your place? Walk-in library.
Yes, it just to encourage the kids to read more, no?
Right.
That was the only motive, to get them to at least come and hold a book in their hands and know that
So all the kids in the school, no,
reading a
ma'am?
book is, well, not everybody responded. I think very few students would come to pick up books.
Yeah.
But I think I had a class library, if I'm not mistaken. I started that in one of my classes.
Hmm.
I started in Karanja.
Hmm.
I think the students also contributed. Each one brought in one or two books if they liked. I also put in a few books, and we had a class library. I remember in one of the in one of the classes,
Maybe that's how I came to
or
your house
maybe
for, for picking up
uh-huh,
a book. Yeah,
okay.
from your
Mm-hmm.
house.
Your memories are all sort of jumbled up. It
I
could be that,
know.
and I did it in one of my schools here, but I'm not sure. I know I did it in J.K. Gram. Karanja mein, I think I did it in one of the classrooms.
So Subhrajit is asking, ma'am, any plans to visit India anytime in future? I think you just visited, no, ma'am?
Yes, yes, we come every year actually. We visit India every year, and we were supposed to travel in April this year.
Hmm.
But of course, all the plans have gone chopper because of this coronavirus thing. We don't, at our age, we don't want to travel until there's a vaccine available.
Right.
So it's going to be a long haul.
Right, right, right. I understand that. Trupti is asking, is
Mm.
Mozambique safe?
So far, yes, so far. Because, my analysis has been that this disease is spreading more in affluent countries where people have been traveling a lot.
True. Yes.
But Mozambique is quite a poor country, and there's not a lot of movement outside the country.
Hmm.
There are some people, rich people, that travel a lot,
Hmm.
and there's a lot of Chinese people as well.
Hmm.
But the common man doesn't travel much. In fact, he hardly travels outside his own town, his own city.
Right.
So
So, yeah,
it's been
that's true.
slow
That's
coming
true.
here,
Yeah, because of
but
traveling only,
once
it's
once it
spreading.
comes, it's going to be bad
Right.
because there's no health facilities here.
Right.
So it's going to be bad.
Right. I
So
understand because
we're
I
just staying
think in
home.
India
Both of us are
also,
retired, so it's not a
yeah.
problem.
Hmm. So here
Mm.
also the situation is same after the lockdown, ended. Again, the
Mm.
number of patients
Mm.
was really high in the last week and last to last week because people started, they were forced to travel because of jobs and everything, I think, right?
I'm
So,
reading uh,
yeah. Did you
Vandana's
read it?
message.
What is she writing?
Yeah, I read part of it. Yes.
What?
When did you get smitten by the knitting bug? Quite recently, actually. After I retired, that's when I started again.
Huh?
And it's like any other activity, like reading. You read a
Hmm.
lot, it becomes a kind of an addiction. You have
Right.
to be with a book all the time. If you knit a lot, it becomes an addiction. You have to be knitting all the time.
Yeah.
So it actually after I retired that I really took it up seriously now.
But you've, as ma'am also stated it, that you've created some of masterpieces. So really, like the
Yeah.
designs which you posted a few days back, the small ones, the houses and
Hmm.
everything, and little landscapes.
Yes.
It
Uh,
was
I'm
it was
calling that
great.
my safe in my neighborhood blanket. I'm making a blanket,
Oh my
and I'll
God!
put pictures of squares. Safe in my why?
It's such a huge project. Lot of
No,
patience.
it
You
will
must have lot of patience.
a lot of movies.
Movies, so I also watch, and I am used to watch movies like Avengers, Transformers, all action movies, which I don't like, but just because Shekhar likes. So all
Yes,
Avengers
but
during
what
this
do you do
lockdown.
when you watch movies?
When
You
I
just
watch,
sit there with your hands folded.
no, I enjoy. I memorize all the
Yeah.
dialogues, all the scenes.
Oh,
I watch.
yeah.
I'd be a part of it. Yeah. So eventually, I have also started liking Avengers.
Good. So, okay, yeah, see, it grows on you. Whatever you do a lot, so you start doing it
Yeah,
even
you
more.
liking it, no?
So
No choice.
that's how it was with knitting.
Right. So, Rama Devi is asking, how is your daughter Minnie? Hope I get the name correct. Yes.
Mm. Minnie is in Australia.
Hmm.
She is very happy. She's married and got a good job, and well, they've decided they don't want kids. So they are, bindas ghumte hain and no worries at all. And she's very
Okay.
happy. Everything in her life.
Okay, good. What does she do, ma'am?
Good question, which I always have a problem answering this, but I know that she is in a company that manages financial portfolios.
Okay.
I don't know what that means.
Okay.
They manage portfolios, financial portfolios.
Okay. I think people will make meaning
Mm.
out of it, those who all are into it. Remember
Correct,
the Ganesh
correct,
Puja?
correct. Mm.
So Bhagya Lakshmi is asking, remember, sorry, I mispronounced your name. So remember
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Ganesh
Bhagyalatri.
Puja you along with Lily ma'am visited my house. I'm having a problem reading it like that. So you remember going to basically Ganesh Puja to her house with Lily ma'am?
Yes, this is who Lily Madam.
Yeah, with Lily ma'am.
No, Rao Madam.
Now, madam. Okay. So I'll just okay. Okay. So Vinay is asking up. Okay. Wait. So my phone is giving me something. Okay. Apart from your hobby in knitting, do you still give time to music? Ma'am has good knowledge of
I
music
don't
too.
play the sitar anymore.
Hmm.
Yes, I used to play the sitar,
Huh?
and but I don't play it anymore. My sitar is just collecting dust. Um, Music, yes, I like to listen sometimes, but mm, you know, it's not as much joy as it used to be.
Okay. Why?
And
That's very strange.
yes, sitar. Whenever I used to take out my sitar, Aditya would come running and tell me to play Beatles songs.
Oh,
And we would play Beatles songs and sing together. So, when he left us, I didn't want to,
yeah.
because it was quite difficult picking it up. But I do take it out and do tum tang sometimes, tune it up and do a little bit.
Okay. So,
Any other questions?
I'm trying to read. Vaishali ma'am's, Kugakon ma'am says, I remember ma'am's lunch. Was it anything special, ma'am?
Ma'am's lunch. Yikes. I used to bring rubbish, I think.
Okay, so there is.
Please don't remember my lunch. I think I used to always bring rubbish.
Okay, so there's an apology from my side that, I said Bhagya Lakshmi. She was our SUPW ma'am. So I just read her name. So I'm very sorry, ma'am. I didn't intend to.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
No, I
mostly
recognize the name. Yes.
yeah, so for us, it is like, for me, I wouldn't say us, because most of my class fellows, classmates, they remember everyone's names, they know everyone's names. But I know them as SUPW ma'am or Dev ma'am or Pattar sir or Vandana ma'am, we
Surnames,
know, yeah,
yeah.
surnames or not their first names. So sorry guys. Sorry, ma'am. Yeah, so she was Rao ma'am.
I
So I
think
remember Rao ma'am.
everyone was called by their surnames, yes. Ram, Bhagyalakshmi, yes, I remember her very well. I think you lived upstairs to us, didn't you,
Yes,
Bhagyalakshmi?
yes, yes. She lived somewhere
Yes?
upstairs in the Foreman Lane, right?
Yes, the first house,
Yeah,
the first block.
right.
Next door was Joshi Madam, upstairs was Agnihotri, and on the other side was Rao Madam.
You are talking about
Young
Chunapatti?
couple, Mr. and Mrs. Agnihotri.
Yeah, we remember Agnihotri
Yes,
ma'am and
yes,
sir. They both Agnihotri sir taught us maths when we were in
maths, I think, yeah.
maths. Yeah, when we were in
And
eighth,
she, I
ninth.
think, was a junior school.
Agnihotri
Mm.
ma'am. Yeah,
You
and
might like to know how I got the job in Karanja.
yeah.
Huh?
No, I didn't get you, ma'am. Come again.
Was that?
Come
You
again.
want to know how I got the job in Karanja?
Yes, please. Now you're talking.
It's quite funny, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's an interesting story. Um, my husband left JK Gram, left JK Tires, and he took up a job in Bombay. And when he came there, they said, flat, no problem, just look around and choose a flat for yourself, whichever you want. So we went looking for a flat. That was not a problem. So we never moved into one. But then the problem was the children's school. Aditya had finished class 10 and Minali was going into class 9. And no school would take us. Even though Aditya, I showed them the results, his class 10 results were fantastic. And they said, yes, regrettably, we would like to take this boy, but there's no place. All the schools, whether private or, missionary schools, Maharashtrian schools, I went all over the place. In the end, I said, let me try Powai, Kendra Vidyalaya. I don't know how I got that idea, but I remember people telling me there's no use because that is only for government, government people.
Employees, yeah.
So I went there and I made a big song and dance. And of course, Mr. Jain again, he was so good to me, from the beginning. He said, Madam, I can see that you're having a big problem. I told him that, look, I can't get my kids admitted in any school. No school is accepting them. He says, are you a teacher? I said, yes, well guessed. He said, then why don't you apply for a job with Kendriya Vidyalaya? And if you get the job, then both your children will get the admission automatically. So I applied. I applied for TGT and PGT. We had the written interview, then we had written test. I got to that shortlist interview, and I got the appointment letter for both in the end. PGT, I think, got for second place. After I came to Karanja, I got the letter for PGT. But at the interview, they asked, there were 5 or 6 of them sitting there. They asked me lots of questions, and then they said, yes, we'd like to appoint you. Where in Bombay would you like to be posted? Now, my husband had a company car, So a driver was just up there. So it was not a problem. I said, anywhere in Bombay. I was desperate to get a job. Say anywhere. He said, will you go to Karanja, NAD Karanja? I said, is it in Bombay? He said, then I remember, on hindsight, I remember how they sort of looked at each other slyly and they smiled and they said, yes, it's in Karanja.
Oh my
Yes, I'll go
God.
to Karanja.
Oh my God.
And then
They tricked
after
you.
coming there, I heard that nobody wants to go to Karanja because it is so out of the way.
Yeah.
And they put me there. But I'm so glad I went there because everything sort of, everything, you know, everything sort of fell into place. I
Yeah.
got that flat in a secure place, got the admission, got a job. And at the same time, my husband got this offer to go to Mozambique.
Hmm.
So, if he had been in Bombay, then he would not have been able to go. He would not
Right.
have been able to come here. But
Right.
so everything sort of fell in place, and I said, "No, you go. It, it couldn't have been a better time. I've got this place, and it's a secure area. There's no problems here, no traffic, no nothing." So I urged him to go to Mozambique and take up the job there, and it was such a fantastic thing to happen. And I'll always remember Mr. Jain. He was the AC at that time.
Right. Right.
He always
So they
helped me a
basically
lot.
they tricked you to Karanja, and it was our good luck to have you
Yeah, they
there.
tricked me actually.
So Korgaonkar ma'am is saying
It was
कि ma'am,
providential. It was good for me also.
right, right. More than you, it was for us, ma'am. So
What did she
Korgaonkar
say?
ma'am is saying, मैम केवल 2-3 बादाम और काजू खाती थी. Really?
क्या?
मैम सिर्फ
I didn't
केवल
understand that.
2-3 बादाम और काजू खाती थी. 2-3 बादाम और
काजू
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 खाती थी.
काजू और बादाम वो भी 2-3
अच्छा.
that you used to have for lunch.
Oh,
Really?
okay. Oh, okay. It's possible because I would have a proper breakfast.
हाँ
Like I would make the kids also have a proper breakfast.
हाँ.
And I don't remember that. Did I have the money for badam and kaju?
But you were very thin, ma'am, when you were used to
Yes,
teach us.
yes, yes.
So
I,
Vandana
I used to
ma'am
be
is,
very thin,
yeah.
and Vandana ma'am.
Vandana ma'am is saying that Karanja was considered as Kala Pani. Oh my God.
Yeah, I heard that later. Lots of people told me this later. How come you came to Karanja? I said, I was strict and good. It's a good thing I was strict.
She's also saying that Karanja was lucky to have you. That's the truth.
So
इसलिए
sweet.
इसलिए तो
Vandana Saxena and I
हाँ
have become really thick and thin. Actually, it's crime. There should be a law against allowing Vandana Saxena and Lalita Dev
हाँ.
to be together in public. There should be a
Really?
law against that. We are a menace. Yeah, you won't recognize us. We create such a ruckus, Vandana.
So I
It
think
should it should be declared a crime. We
you
should
both
not be
should
allowed.
you both should come live on FB, and us watching, all spectators, all your students.
I I don't think that's a good idea because
It's a great
that
idea, ma'am.
Vandana, we go out with our husbands sometimes, and I think we embarrass them the way we giggle and shout and pass comments on people, and it's quite badly
See,
behaved actually.
you're still the girls.
Yeah, when we are
So
together, we just bring out the worst in each other.
that's actually
Worst
the
or
best,
best, I don't know
ma'am.
what to
That's
call it.
actually the best, and that's what keeps you young. So Vandana ma'am is also
Yes,
saying
that's
किसी
true.
को याद है कि मैम कौन से फुटवेयर पहनती थी. So I remember you used to wear sport shoes on your sari.
Yes, yes. And Vandana, and everyone used to tease me. All my colleagues used to tease me about my sports shoes, and and I hated dressing up. But the annual functions jab hote the, I would have to wear sari and dress up a bit.
Yeah.
And when I would come down from that hill,
Hmm.
Vandana and Vaishali and all, Vandana, I remember she picked up my sari once and she said, "Oh yes, this is Lalita," because she saw my sneakers. Otherwise, apparently, she couldn't recognize me.
Right.
She picked up my sari and said, "Yeah, ye Lalita hai."
Her favorite
Anyway,
footwear with sari किसी को
that's
याद
my
है? I just now said that.
hmm? Say that.
Okay. So she has lots of comments, Saxena ma'am has lots of comments. Don't have us, she's saying don't have us together. Now so we have to tell Sujit ma'am.
Don't, yeah, yeah. You mustn't have it. It'll be havoc, total havoc.
We would
And
love
like
it,
I
I
said, there
think.
should be a law against that. There must be a law against that.
Pradeep Pillai is also, he's also supporting us, we should have that session. Okay, so I have few,
But I think
hmm?
we'll be too
Yeah, come on, tell me.
self-conscious with you guys around.
Okay. You don't look at the comments, no, ma'am. Runa is
So,
watching. Okay.
hi, Runa.
Okay, you were saying something, ma'am?
Sibi,
Yeah.
you would love to
Have that havoc.
havoc. Yeah, it's been over an hour. People must be fed up now.
Uh, so we have this rapid fire questions for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions.
Hmm.
And obviously
Oh,
we don't
wow.
have any, gift hamper, but we can have a virtual gift hamper for you, which will be
Not
sent to
acceptable.
you.
Not
In...
acceptable. I want a proper gift pack.
we'll talk to Sujit.
Even if it's one chocolate.
Yes, yes. I think this rapid fire does not make any sense now because my first question is your best friend from KVK. We all know that.
Okay.
But you can answer.
You just gave the answer. We all know that.
But I want you to say it. And
No, actually, to be honest, Vandana and I were not that close in KVK because her kids were still small also, and I think she didn't spend her time in the staff room.
hmm,
She would go home for lunch, and we got to know each other more later.
right,
But if best friend, I think Joshi madam.
right, right. Good.
Mrs. Joshi was very supportive, and I could tell her anything and everything.
Right,
And she and her kids, the boys and her daughters, they were family. I wouldn't even say they are like family. They
right.
were family, and I'm so regretful that I lost touch with them.
Yeah, really, it's a great loss because she's one of the teachers
Mm.
who has
Yeah,
influenced like everyone. All my classmates
yeah.
also would agree to that. That
Mm.
there are few teachers who we still remember and cherish the memories, and one of them was definitely Joshi ma'am. Okay,
Mm.
now
She
this
was
hmm,
a genuinely good person.
right, and a very good teacher too. We
There
knew
was
her
no,
as a teacher.
and yes, a genuine good teacher, and as a person, there was no sort of um, double face about her.
Right.
What you saw was what you got.
Hmm.
She was genuine, really.
Right. So second question.
Next question.
Students you remember from Kendriya Vidyalaya Karanjal.
Hmm? I
Students
didn't get the
you
questions breaking up.
students you remember from KVK.
Students, well, I remember you and your singing, your voice.
Okay.
I remember I used to call you my nightingale.
Yes,
But
yes.
specific students I cannot name because I never had favorites. I I don't think a teacher has a right to have favorite students.
Right.
I don't think we have a right. But just as parents can't have a favorite child,
True.
teachers can't have a favorite
Yeah,
student.
you never
In
had.
fact,
I mean,
I-
I mean, I don't remember having you having any favorite student or you doing any kind of partiality to any. So we were with our rapid fire round, and we spoke about students. You remember? Then I request you to share one funny memory of Kendriya Vidyalaya Karanja.
Funny memory.
Yeah.
Well, there was, I don't know if you'll call it funny, but one day Minnie came home very angry.
Hmm.
And I said, "Kya hua?" She was raving mad, you know.
Hmm.
I forget his name, the PT teacher, physical training, physical
Patil
education
sir.
teacher.
Patil sir.
I don't remember
I
his name.
think.
She said, "Mere ko mara." And
Oi.
I was so angry. She said, he gave me a slap on the back, and quite hard. I was very angry. And the next day at the PT ground, I went, blew him up, and I'm ashamed of this actually in front of all the kids. I really made, said, don't you touch my child again, and I'll take you to the police and what not. And the third day, I went and apologized to him.
Yeah.
And he was very understanding. He says, "No, ma'am, actually, I didn't want to hit her like that. I just gave her a pat on the back. But okay, I had to accept that."
Yeah. So Sanju is
That's
saying he
one of
was
the memories I
Gaikwad
have.
sir. Gaikwad sir.
Gaikwad, okay.
Yeah.
And the funniest memory is Vandana picking up my sari and looking at my sneakers and remembering, and you're like, yes, this is Lalita. That's my
Okay.
funniest memory.
I will not call it funny.
No?
No. Okay, next
No?
question.
Okay.
Next question. So you have influenced thousands of people in a very positive way. So who has influenced you in your real life?
My real life. I told you, BP Joshi
Yes.
from, I think I talked about him already.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
was one big influence in my, and of course my mother.
Right.
My
Right.
mother was,
That's how you put also you
I
put your name as Lalita Gauri Dev.
Lalita Gauri, no, Lalita Gauri is my name.
Your name.
It's it is, it's that my mother's name is only Monica. And
Okay.
Lalita Gauri is the name of a Ragini.
Oh,
And you remember I told you my father had taken talim with Alauddin Khan in
right.
Maihar.
Hmm.
He learned the sitar.
Hmm.
And when my older sister, the first child, was born, my
Hmm.
father took her to Baba, to Ustad Alauddin Khan, and
Hmm.
he took her in his lap, and he
Hmm.
actually composed a new Ragini, and he
Oh,
named it Sri Gauri. Sri
oh.
Gauri is a Ragini which is named for my daughter, for my sister, my
So
older
elder
sister.
sister. Right.
And then when I was born, Daddy said, "Okay, Sri Gauri hai, so Lalita Gauri." Lalita Gauri was a already existing Ragini.
Right. Right.
And then my younger sister was called Chitra Gauri. We are all named
Oh.
after Ragini.
Oh, that's a quite interesting story. We didn't know. I think nobody knew. I always thought that maybe that's
No,
your mother's name that you have in
no,
your Facebook
mhm,
account.
no.
So nice. So, ma'am, I think yeah, we were talking, and I didn't realize that we have almost been talking for last 1.5
Oh,
hours.
goodness me.
Yeah, and I've taken too much of your
I'm
time.
amazed that people are still around. I'm
I
amazed people are
know.
still around because
They must be, yeah, either,
with
I
all
don't
the
know. Either
interruptions and everything.
they're definitely enjoying your talk and cursing me at the same
I think they
time.
enjoy watching you even more. You were always very popular. I know that. I know that. For your nature
Oh,
also in the talent.
okay,
You were
thank
a
you,
very popular
ma'am.
girl.
Oh, okay. So ma'am, this brings us to, end of this live session. Though I want to, share a lot of other things also, which I would share with you personally. So
Okay.
right now, I think, yeah, right now I think I'll have to, uh, thank Sujit Raut for coming up with this innovative idea of
Yes,
getting all our school teachers
sure,
on this FB live
sure.
during this lockdown. But I don't
It's a
think they should end
fantastic
with the lockdown.
initiative.
Yeah, it's a great idea.
No,
They should go on
yeah,
forever, like,
it is. It is.
there's so many
Yes,
things that,
we should have one every week, maybe. Your students
yeah,
interviewing students, teachers.
right,
Mm.
right. So
Be good.
next, they have planned, we've planned Lily ma'am with Padmaja
Mm.
next
Mhm.
Sunday. So that will
Oh,
be,
good. Excellent.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
Mansi, before, can I take 2 more minutes? Because I
Sure,
saw one
sure, sure,
question there.
sure.
Someone was asking what happened with Aditya.
Yeah.
And well, it's difficult to talk about it, but I think it's only fair that he had lots of good friends and teachers who also fond of him, and I think it's only fair that they also know, because it was a sudden thing for them, and it's only fair that they should know. Well, he was in BITS Pilani.
Hmm.
He was in his third year of in Pilani,
Hmm.
very happy there. And when he came to visit us, he and Vinny, both of them came together after a long time.
Hmm.
And he came, actually, later we found out, he came with an infection, jaundice, hepatitis infection from
Right.
Pilani.
Hmm.
And then yahan aake, he got malaria, and it became, the two combined, it became cerebral malaria, and we couldn't save him. It was all very sudden, within 4 days.
That's what very
He
unfortunate.
wasn't ill for a long time.
Right. Right.
I'm sure
But I
lots of
think,
people
yeah,
were
but I think
wondering.
everyone who knows you, who knows Aditya Bhaiya also, everyone knows him as a very bright and a very uh, supporting Bhaiya. And of course, so so everyone is saying thank you, thank you, thank you. And I think I must
Thank
thank
you,
you, ma'am,
everybody.
for
Thank you. And
I must thank you
no,
for
don't thank me, please, because it's
accepting.
such a
Accept,
pleasure, such a great pleasure. And thank you to everybody for being here and for remembering me, for remembering Aditya and my family. Thank you so much.
so you all are inseparable part of, I think, all of Karanjaites who were there when you were in Karanja. So it was great having you, ma'am. Nice to be here, and I'm really fortunate
It was
to
great
host
being
the
there and to
session.
be here also.
Yeah.
Huh?
So thank you, ma'am. Bye. We'll catch up.
Bye, Mansi. Thank
Yeah.
you for being so
Bye,
patient.
ma'am.
Carry on being
Yeah.
patient with me.
Come on, ma'am.
Okay. Off you
Okay,
go.
bye.
Off you go.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Bye,
Bye, bye,
everybody.
guys.
Love you
Bye,
all.
everybody. Yeah.